So you want to buy, but you hate the rates. We know. The good news is, though, there are options in these things called temporary interest rate buydowns. And it is just as it sounds. You temporarily have a lower interest rate. So the way that they work, they come in two different forms. There's a seller paid temporary interest rate buydown and a lender paid temporary interest rate buydown. The seller paid one is the one more often used because you can get a bigger bang for your buck with those, and there's more options. So there's options for lower interest rates temporarily from 1 year all the way up to 3 years. So for example, the one we see the most is the 2-1 buydown. So let's say you chose to lock in at a 7% interest rate. On year one, you would be paying as if your interest rate was 5%. Then year two, you would be paying as if your interest rate was 6%, 2-1. And then on year three, if you don't refinance before then, you would be paying as if your interest rate was that 7%. The best news is, though, is that you're not paying for that cost of that extra savings. The seller is in the credit that they provide you. These temporary interest rate buydowns can save people hundreds and hundreds of dollars a month. So they are a great tool when you're buying and you're really trying to keep that payment as low as you can until hopefully the option to refinance comes around. The second temporary interest rate buydown is a lender paid buydown. This one is a 1-year interest rate buydown, and we're covering the majority of that cost for you. So let's say again, you're locked in at a 7, you would be paying as if your interest rate was a 6 for a full year, again until hopefully you can refinance. Now the thing is, I cannot guarantee that every lender in the United States offers these temporary interest rate buydowns. We do, thankfully. I'm licensed in North Carolina, South Carolina, and Florida, but even if you're in another state, there are loan officers at my company, Atlantic Coast Mortgage, that are licensed all across the United States, so we can definitely help you. If you're interested in figuring out if you could qualify for this or purchase a home, feel free to message me or reach out.